Oh, hi honeys, how are you? Tanyanishailoc here, and of course welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you guys, we are finally back from the hospital. I don't know if that lighting actually is very good, but hopefully you can see me there. But we are back from the appointment, and the doctor actually did reschedule for us another day because the person who was supposed organizing this. Also, by the way, wanted to say that this other ring light of mine, I think it wants to die. I don't know, there is the vibe that it is currently giving me, which I do not understand at all. When it's on, sometimes it switches itself off, and I'm a little bit confused on what I'm going to be doing, but hopefully I also find a solution for this. I actually want to buy a bigger ring light later on, maybe something like 2 months from now, because I'm still saving up for a phone. and I cannot look into the ring light right now because it's also very, very expensive. I want a 22-inch ring light. So these ones were the mini, but I think this one has died, and I've been using that one now, I think for the last 2 days, 2 to 3 days. So I also want to organize this box over here. This box actually has a lot of my filming gear, chargers, USB cables, you know, SD cards. I want to also pass through that. So that is the only stuff I think that I'm left with for now. But actually I want to rest. Yes, I want to rest a little bit, or maybe currently let me just go out and I do my workout routine so that when I come back, I start from here, then I end with cleaning this mirror. This is actually the next day. This is how my son is looking over here. He is very, very happy. I just bathed him currently and I gave him his bottle, and also her mother is going to be breastfeeding her very soon. But the other update is, yesterday I told you that the doctor told us that our appointment is on a Monday, but we have actually changed our thoughts and we're going on another hospital. It is called Saidina Abu Baker. I think if you have ever heard of Bakuli Mondeva, you know, that's where that hospital is a hospital which is associated with the Muslim community. And remember that the Muslim community actually spearheads circumcision. So that's where he is going today to be circumcised. Unfortunately, I'm not going with them because of that transportation and the arrangement. His father is coming and he's going to go with the mother to see that they circumcise him today. So that is the update. Currently, this is how he is looking. He is very, very happy. Do you see my eyes, guys? By the way, I talked about this in one of the vlogs that actually he got my eyes, and a lot of you guys are like, yeah, Tanya. The thing is, guys, I'm related to him in one way or another, you know. So guys, I want to take this opportunity to say a very, very big thank you to every person who reached out to us when we had him. I was posting him all over my social media handles. He was always on my Instagram. I think someone is on the door. Someone is on the door and actually is knocking it very, very bad. So guys, all that is very, very dark. So I was still telling you, he was all over my my Instagram, my stories, my WhatsApp and all that, and a lot of my other siblings were very, very, very happy. We received a lot of love and support, and for me, I think to the age I am right now, I just feel like even though someone does not physically give you something, but as long as that person has actually provided you with emotional support one of these days days, because of COVID and because of this wave that has left actually a very, very big footstep in the whole world, people have been communicating through the internet. And we tell you, we received a lot of beautiful, amazing, emotional support from people who even never knew my sister, from a lot of you guys who actually were meeting my sister for the first time. And of course, yes, you guys, we want to thank you very, very much. I just felt like the lighting in the living room was not that clear. This is how actually he does look over here. Yes, can you see his eyes? For me, it is the eyes. For me, it is the eyes. Yes. You guys, I had forgotten to switch out this vlog, but I want to thank you very much for watching the vlog. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share out with friends and family. Let me meet you in the next vlog. Bye for now.